Next is In-A-Gadda-Da-Vida by Iron Butterfly. And this riff is, it's kind of a blues. It's on the A string, and it's... Now remember, the numbers are the frets on the appropriate strings. So you're on the A string for the first 4 notes, you're on the E string for 1 note, the A string again, and then the D string for the 2, 1, open, and then the 3 is on the A string, and then it starts again. And this happens over and over again. Let's look at a close-up view of it. So it's on the A string. I want my pick on the A string. Very close up now. It's A. Now the D string. And again. That much again. Now the D string. Back on the A.